The morning sun streams in, and the day begins with a little routine and a lot of charm. At work, creativity flows, and teamwork makes even the toughest challenges fun.
Hello everyone, welcome back BTech. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can create engaging videos using just simple text and upload them directly to your YouTube channel. With just simple text, you can turn your ideas into videos and start generating income. No advanced editing skills are needed. We'll be using Filmora 14 from filmora.com, one of the best tools for easy text to video creation. Just write a script, turn it into a video and upload it to your channel. I've added the link in the video description, so be sure to check it out. This is a beginner-friendly and powerful method to grow your channel and income. So let's get started. So once you click on the link in the description and download and install Wondershare Filmora, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here, you can see different options. At the top, there's a New Project button. You can click on it to create a new video and start a new project. Just below that, you'll find the Idea to Video feature, which is the main topic of our video. There are other options like Audio to Video, Smart Shot Clips, Image to Video, and more. On the left side panel, you'll see several other categories. In the Toolbox section, you'll find a variety of tools available for use. These include features like Audio to Video, Smart Shot Clips, AI Video Enhancer, Image to Video, AI Color Plate, Smart BGM Generation, and many more. But for this video, I will be using the AI Idea to Video tool to generate a video. So first, click on the Idea to Video option and it will open a dashboard like this. Here, you need to enter a prompt, basically describing the characters, story, and video setting that you want the video to be based on. I will paste my prompt. I want to generate a workday vlog of a cute, fat, anthropomorphic, orange, tubby cat. So that's my prompt. Next, we need to adjust a few settings. First, we have the video duration. You can either let it auto-select or choose from options like 10 to 20 seconds or 20 to 30 seconds. Then, you need to select the video language. Filmora supports multiple languages like English, Japanese, Korean, Italian, French, Chinese, and more. After that, you'll choose a video style. The available styles include realistic, anime, comic, cyberpunk, and others. I want to create a realistic video, so I'll select realistic. Finally, click on the Generate AI Script button. The tool will now begin generating the script based on your prompt and settings. Once your script is ready, you'll be able to see all the scene clips listed on the screen. You'll find Scene 1, Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, and more, each with its own script. At this stage, you have the option to either generate images using AI or upload your own images for each scene. For this example, I'm going to generate the images using AI. To do that, simply click the Generate button next to a scene. If you want to generate images for all scenes at once, click on All Scene Images and then hit the Generate button. The video generation process will begin immediately. Once the generation is done, you'll see a dashboard filled with AI-generated images. You can now pick your favorite image for each scene. I'll go ahead and select an image and then it's time to choose a character. For this, you'll either upload an image or generate one using AI. I'll generate mine, and since my character is a cat, the AI will create some cat images. Next, it's time to adjust some settings such as video enhancement, voiceover, and aspect ratio. Then, click the Generate button to begin creating the final video. It may take a few minutes, so wait patiently. Once it's finished, the editor will open and you'll be able to preview your video.
The morning sun streams in, and the day begins with a little routine and a lot of charm. At work, creativity flows, and teamwork makes even the toughest challenges fun. Snack breaks are for tasty treats and those little moments of reflection. As the day winds down, there's nothing better than relaxing and dreaming of tomorrow.
As you can see, the video is now fully generated and ready to upload to your YouTube channel. It's super easy to use. You can create multiple videos using Filmora 14. Plus, it allows for full customization. You can click on the scene icons to make edits as you like. You can add media, audio files, titles, transitions, effects, filters, and more. When you're satisfied with your editing, simply hit the export button and your video will begin exporting. And that's how simple it is to generate and edit videos using Filmora 14. The download link is available in the video description, so make sure to check it out. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.